Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab, and welcome to a vintage summer road trip collaboration between myself, Sonia Stover, and Thalicia of Where Baking and Crafting Meets. Now, about a month and a half ago, we got together because we chat on Instagram. We got together and decided to do a collaboration. I mean, we see them out there. You guys have witnessed them in different other areas of crafting, as well as in the journal community, junk journaling community. And I thought, it's high time that we get together and do a little something. So we decided, we put our heads together, came up with a theme, and really, this is to celebrate the fact that this summer we are all out and about. Last summer, this was not the case. We were not able to congregate and fellowship and get to the parks and, go to get to the beach. So, in celebration of the thing that we took for granted, okay, we are offering our own junk journal paper crafting kits in our shops. So I'm going to do a flip through of my kit. Below in the description box will be links to both of the other ladies' flip throughs. And over the next 2 weeks, you'll see a series of videos from all three channels, where we use different elements of each partner's kits to create junk journals and different paper crafts. Okay, so you may see a scrapbook layout, you may see a handmade card, you may see a folio, because each one of us have our own different areas of fluidity, if you will, crafting genius. I'm not going to say genius for myself, I'm just saying it. I'm good with the handmade cards, okay, handcrafted greeting cards. Sonia does a lot of the folios, and Thalicia, she's the layering goddess, okay? She can slap it all together and you'll be like, okay, I didn't know that those go together, but she made it work. So without further ado, I'm just going to show you. This is a journal card that I created using some of the elements from my kit. Okay, now the only thing that is not from the kit is these rhinestones. Actually, they're crystals, as well as this lace. The reason I did that is because I wanted to give you guys and this journal card. It's two-sided. This is just scrapbook paper or cardstock. I wanted to give you guys the ability, show you that you can use the kit to make a journal or paper craft without using a whole lot of different embellishments. The specialty supplies, the spritzers and the inks and things of that nature. The way that we created these kits, it's so that the beginner crafter can create something that they'll enjoy and that they'll love, without having to, add more supplies. So now, moving forward, so I have the watermelon, and you'll see the journal elements that are in the kit. And this is just kind of glued together to create a little pocket on this journal card, so a little note can be slipped into there. And then we have the word summer. It's one of the word tiles. There's a little lemon, road trip, and then there's that rose trim at the top. Little rhinestone there. And then here we have this cute little bumblebee with road trip. Okay, some satin butterfly trim there, and some more rhinestones. These are things that you find at the dollar store, so it's not like it's that expensive. On the back is a guest check. Okay, so now without further ado, let's hop on into the kit. All right, so here we have. So what the kit consists of, it's 10 pages in total. 10 8.5 by 11 pages. You can print this out, download it, print it at home, send it to a friend's printer or Staples or whatever. So the first page is a journal page, and it's muted enough for you to be able to write on top of it or just use it as a decorative page. But you have the map of the US. Down below you have a road with the little mountains on the side, you know, like a desert going through the desert. Some flowers down there, the butterflies. And then we, by the way, there was also a color theme that we went with. We wanted to use vintage colors from the 50s and the 60s. Okay, that's those muted avocados and dusty rose and butter yellow, those colors. Here we have a Cadillac, and this is a journal page. It has lines on it large enough for you to write big or double up and write small. We have a license plate, and because I am a city girl, I wanted to use elements that I was familiar with. While I do appreciate shabby chic, I am definitely architecture, automobiles type of girl. So I'm just putting that little disclosure out there. And then we have the roses, and then the little compass. So you'll see some of these things, a reoccurring theme throughout the kit. Next page is the same roses, but it covers the top. And then we have a California 1956. That other license plate was 1967. So it's trying to keep in theme with the time frame. And then behind it is ledger paper, very muted. So there is text on there, but I kept it so that it wouldn't conflict with any writing. So these are definitely, you can write on them, you can continue to decorate on them, however you want to use them. And then this is a little vintage image of a at one point there used to be, because you know Google wasn't always a thing, you know, you had to have, before you left on a trip, you had to have an atlas, you know, your maps and things of that nature. So that's just paying homage to that. That's an actual, I think I found that on the public domain. North and South. And then this one is New York. Obviously I'm from New York, and I loved this little Volkswagen-ish van. Okay, I spent many summers in a Chevy Econoline-ish van, and it had it was a 10-passenger vehicle, and so we would go on our summer trips to the family reunion in the DC, Maryland, and Virginia area, and it would be 9 of us piled, 6, 7, 8, 9 of us piled into this for 12 passenger vehicles, a 12-passenger vehicle, and we had so much fun. Beside the fact that it was super hot, but we had so much fun in that vehicle every year, and so I wanted to pay homage to that. I didn't want to put the Econoline in there, but I found this, which was symbolic of it. And then there's that compass, and then the Holiday Motel, which most of us did not spend many summers in a hotel or motel, because that's just not what the budget would call for. Now this page has the flowers that you're going to find throughout the kit, and this is the vibrant, bright page, as you can see. Okay, has the compass behind it with some grid paper in the back. And the next page is the same thing, only muted. So the pink flowers are a pale color, pale blush. And then the blue is a very, very, as you can see. So let's see the difference here. And I wanted there to be the option of it you having the bright page or the muted page. And then this is actually, you may recognize this from another video, but I've changed. This is a collage, a napkin collage that I scanned in. I used the actual collage as a cover for a journal, and in here I just enhanced some of the color, and it was stencil, napkin on top of a some script paper. Okay, so, and then this is what we have here. It just happened to work with this kit. And then here is the elements page. So in the elements page, what you get is, now this is printed on cardstock, or I think 40-pound weight or something like that. It's just the standard thicker paper from Walmart. I can't remember what the weight is. I'll drop it in. If you need to know, ask me in the comments below, and I'll definitely get back to you on that. But here we have a page that you can fussy cut out and use at your leisure throughout your kit. Throughout your journal. So we have the Cadillac. We have a variety of different butterflies, different colors. We have some summertime fruit, our summertime insects, this cute little frog. I had to put him in there. He was just adorable. Those sunglasses, the vintage camper, the roses that are seen throughout this kit, and then some of those the 2 license plate, and that's the road trip sign. So this is definitely a really fun elements page to help create and embellish your junk journal. I love it. And then we also have these are the 2, as I told you, I didn't do much to them. I just stitched around them and added things from the kit. The 2 journal cards. There's also a belly band here, and then we have the word tiles: summer, road trip, beachy, adventure, happy campers, explore, picnic, vacation, and obviously there's my logo so y'all don't forget where it came from. So that is the 2 journal cards, belly band, and word tiles page. And then last but not least is the envelope, and I used the muted toned pattern paper, because that's what it was created for. It was created to be pattern paper for you to use in this journal kit and outside of it. I used that to create this envelope. So this is the side. This is what it would look like once you, good gracious, once you assemble it. So the size of it is actually where are we? 5 1/4 by 4 1/4. So this envelope would end up being 5 1/4 by 4 1/4. All right. So again, all together we have 10 pages, and this will be available in my Etsy shop. There will be a link below so that you can head over and grab yourself a kit for the first week of summer. This kit will be on sale. I will put a code below so that you can take 30% off of your kit. Okay? 30% you will get this kit for. 30% off, I should say. And again, there'll be links to the other ladies' videos, flip-throughs, and feel free to check back in there'll be a playlist actually in the description box, and each one of us will add videos to that playlist so that you can have access to all of the videos as they are being released. And so don't forget to head over to the girls' channel, subscribe here if you have not already done so, and let us create some summer memories together. At least start a journal to house our summer memories. All right. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I am so excited, and I'm looking forward to journeying along this summer in our new summer of pandemic freedom. Okay, freedom from the pandemic. All right. So, anyways, until we're back here together on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafty. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.